We are trying to be Krishna conscious to find the real purpose of our existence. We are not serving Krishna to enjoy. Sometimes service is difficult. Like Arjun is serving Krishna how? Fighting a battle. Very difficult battle. Was that battle enjoying? Was the battle the source of enjoyment? He was not enjoying fighting the battle. But through the serving Krishna, through the battle, he became connected to Krishna. And that's how he enjoyed. At the end of the battle, when Arjun considered, oh, so many things happened. So many times I could have been dead. It was an impossible battle to win. But I won because Krishna was pleased with me. Because I was serving him, because I was connected to him, because I was loving him, and in order to express my love, I was fighting for him. Krishna rewarded me. Such a way. So this is the enjoyment in Krishna consciousness. This is how one enjoys in Krishna consciousness. We experience the joy. Like, sometimes it's difficult, it's not always easy. Like the pujari serving the deities. It's not easy, that service. Like in winter time, early morning, take bath, and just wearing a chaddar go to the altar. It's freezing cold. So, when one is serving, then he's not enjoying. When he's serving, then he's serving. The service is difficult. The cooks in the kitchen, in the middle of summer, in the heat, they're cooking. They're sweating all over. That is not enjoying. That's difficult. But he's doing it. Why? Because externally, physically, he may not be experiencing that. Physically, he may be facing the difficulty, but within his heart, he is enjoying. So the point is, joy in Krishna consciousness doesn't come through the body. The joy in Krishna consciousness comes within the heart. Joy in Krishna consciousness is not experienced by the body. The joy in Krishna consciousness is experienced by the soul.